I'm going to show you how to set up Honeygain on your iPhone. So first you want to open up your iPhone device, and then you want to open up the Google Chrome app. Then you want to search for Honeygain on Google, and you want to go to where it says honeygain.com. It's going to ask you if you want to accept the cookies. Just click on accept all. Then you want to go to the top right and click on this menu icon right here. Then go to where it says dashboard. And here's where you want to sign up for a Honeygain account if you don't have one already. So all you have to do is enter in an email or password, or you can use your Google or Facebook account to sign up for a Honeygain account. Once you enter in your email and password, you can go ahead and click on where it says sign up, and it's going to take you to this page where it says start earning in 3 steps. So the first step is you want to actually download this app on your iOS device. And to do that, you want to open up the App Store app on your phone. Then you want to go to the search at the bottom right. And here you want to go to the search bar and search for Honeygain, like so. Click on the first result. And then you want to click on the one that has the B icon right here. And you want to click on where it says get. Once you install the app, go ahead and tap on open. Click on where it says I agree to terms of service. Click on where it says let's start. And then at the top right, you want to click on where it says log in. And here's where you want to enter in your username and password that you entered in on honeygain.com. So go ahead and enter in your email and your password. And now you should see a profile icon at the top right of your screen. You should see your profile page right here. If we go back to the device tab on the bottom left, we can look at the top left and see that it says gathering Wi-Fi, which means we are currently on Wi-Fi. And if we tap the overview tab, we can see our current balance and how much we have actually made using Honeygain. As you can see here, I haven't made anything yet because I just installed the app. But as you leave the app open, you're going to start seeing your balance increase over time. It does take some time to actually earn money through Honeygain, so you're just going to have to be patient with it, but it will start generating money passively over time. But anyway, that is how you can install Honeygain on your iOS device. I hope this helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.